Hello Private Techie, welcome back to another new video. Here in this video, I will show you that how you all can download and install Mysql Workbench, Mysql Server and Mysql Shell on your system. So let's start. At first, I will search for Mysql download, then I will click on the first link. I will go to the download section. I will click on Mysql Community. Then I will choose Mysql installer for Windows. Then here I will click on this first link, download. Now I will click on no thanks, just start my download. So as you can see, my download is complete. So I will click on this. So here I will choose custom. And then click on next. So here at first I will choose Mysql Server 8.0, the first link. Then I will click on applications. Then Mysql Workbench 8.0. I will choose the latest version. Here I will choose Mysql Shell 8.0 and I will also choose this latest version. Then click on next. Now I will click on execute. So as you can see that the installation is complete. So now I will click on next. Again click on next. I will choose the first one, then click on next. I will give my password. Then click on next. Then again click on next. I will choose the first option, then click on next, then click on execute. Then click on finish. Then again next. Again finish. So here I will right click on the local instance, then I will give my password, then OK. So now I will go to my Windows C drive, then program files, then MySQL, then MySQL Server, then I will choose the bin location. I will copy this and I will go to my command prompt. I will type cd, then space, then I will paste the location, then enter. So here I will type MySQL space, then -u space root space -p. And then I will give my password. So as you can see that my connection is successful. So now I will go to my MySQL. So I will type show databases semicolon, then I will copy and execute this. So again I will go to my Windows C drive program file, then I will choose the MySQL, then MySQL server. I will again copy this location, then I will go to my environment variables. So I will click on environment variable. I will go to my system variables. I will choose this path and then click on edit, then new, and I will add that path over here, and I will click on OK. After this, I will go to my command prompt, then I will just type MySQL space -- version. Then I will type MySQL space -u space root space -p. So now I will type show databases semicolon. So as you can see that default it is 4 rows. So I will type create database prime techie semicolon. As you can see that one row affected. I will type show databases semicolon. So this is the output. Here you can see the prime techie. Okay. So now I will go to the Mysql Workbench. Here I will just execute this. So the same output you can see over here. I will again create another database. I will name it as techie, that is create database techie semicolon. I will execute this, and then I will execute show databases. So as you can see that techie is also added over here. So I will go to my command prompt. Here I will again just write show databases semicolon, and you can see the output. You can do the program in command prompt, or else you can also use the Workbench editor. So that it is. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.